What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Just want to pull this cover off, just grab underneath the cover, slide up, and then up there and there is these retainers that hold it in. They just push on little grommets right on those locations. This is where your coils are. There's 4 of them on this particular engine. So I'm going to show you how to do this one. Just disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the lock tab and slide it out, just like that. Take a 10mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Loosen up this bolt right here. Take that bolt out. You can grab the coil. Sometimes you just twist it a little bit and slide it out. Now the seal got stuck on there, so you want to take the seal off. Put it back on the coil, and there's the coil. All right, before I pull the spark plug out, if there's any dirt or anything in there, it's a good idea to just take a blowgun and blow out anything in there. Get any dust or dirt out of there. You don't want any of that going down into the cylinder. All right, now you want to take a spark plug socket. The reason you want a spark plug socket is because normally inside there's a rubber grommet that's going to hold the spark plug from falling out. So once it's loose, you can pull the spark plug out. Sometimes there's a magnet on there depending on the socket. So use that plus an extension and a ratchet. And you don't want to do this with any power tools because you could strip stuff out. It's better off just doing it by hand. And once that's loose, you can slide it up and see the spark plug comes right out with the socket. Here's the old part. Here's the new spark plug from 1aauto.com. This is made by NGK. The plug lengths are the same. The important thing you want to keep in mind is the depth of the threaded part of the plug, which it's the same. These plugs come pre-gapped, so you don't have to gap them. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Take the spark plug, put it in your spark plug socket so it doesn't fall out, and then carefully lower it down. Remember, you don't have to gap them. They come pre-gapped. And start threading it. Now if you dropped it, then obviously you need a new spark plug because the electrode's probably going to be touching. So just keep that in mind, don't drop them. And we'll snug it up just a little bit with the ratchet. And I'll take a torque wrench and torque this to 18 foot-pounds. Now there is a crush washer on there, so it might move a little more than you would think it would. So and that's good. Pull that out. Sometimes the spark plug socket gets stuck in there, so just wiggle it around and you're good. Just make sure the rubber grommet didn't come out. Now I'm going to take the coil. I'm just going to take a little bit of dielectric grease. Just put a little bit in there. It's always a good idea. You don't necessarily have to, but it helps. And take the coil, slide that in position. And that's good. Get the 10mm bolt. Get that started. Just take a 10mm socket and a ratchet and just snug this down. It's good. Take the connector, line it up, and lock it in place. And then I'm going to do the same with the other ones. Take this cover, we want to line these little tabs up with these little pins right there. There's 3 of them. push it down, and then you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.